The judge has struck down the Crown's second attempt to get the text messages between Brett Howden and Taylor Radish admitted into court. This is part 1 of my Day 24 recap of the 2018 Team Canada SA trial. If you're new here, I'm covering this case daily, so make sure you follow so you never miss anything, and all events discussed in this video are still alleged at this time. According to CBC's Daily Live Updates, the judge said that the texts are hearsay evidence and their truth and reliability cannot be guaranteed. Brett Howden then began being cross-examined by McLeod's lawyer, and his lawyer started by asking about the trial preparation meeting that Howden had with the Crown and London Police Detective Lindsay Ryan. They flew to Calgary on April 4, 2025 for the meeting. The detective then took notes during the meeting where Howden told her and the Crown that he was trying to be honest but he couldn't remember certain things. Howden was shown pictures and videos from Jack's bar of himself with EM at the back of the bar and of himself and McLeod dancing with EM. His lawyer started by asking Howden about how much he had to drink on the night of June 18th, 2018. He said that the gala also included alcohol with dinner and that Howden and some of his teammates went to the bar before heading to Jack's. Howden said he didn't exactly remember how much he had to drink, but he previously told investigators he had about, quote, $4 beers at Jack's bar with wine with dinner, vodka with cranberry juice, and a vodka with Sprite at the bars. The lawyer then asked, quote, "Is it fair to say that at the bar you were already drunk and intoxicated?" Howden then responded with, "Yeah." Howden said that he had no memory of introducing EM to McLeod. He also said that he didn't get the text from McLeod inviting his teammates for a, quote, three-way because he wasn't in that group chat because he had a new US-based phone number. Howden said he also doesn't remember if he went straight to McLeod's room or if he went to his own room first or elsewhere because it was right next door. He said, quote, "I just remember being hungry and trying to find food." Howden then recalled that he couldn't recall many things from the night. Those included introducing McLeod to EM, how he got home from the bar, where he went into the hotel, how food got into the room in question, and what he ate other than wings, and whether EM was naked when he walked into the room. He does, however, remember, quote, feeling uncomfortable, that the men were not telling EM to do anything. She was asking men to do sexual things to her or with her, and the men did not want to have sex with her. Howden then also said that he didn't remember the sequence of events from that night. The lawyer then tried to pin him down on who got oral first, Carter Hart or Michael McLeod. During an interview in 2018, he said that Hart received oral sex, then stopped, and then more oral sex because the woman was asking for anyone to do things with her. After that, McLeod received oral, but only for a short time because he couldn't get an erection. The lawyer then suggested that McLeod was sitting on the edge of the bed when that happened or sitting on the bed leaning back with his elbows propping him up, but Howden doesn't remember that. Howden said, quote, "Everything in general was uncomfortable and awkward." Howden has previously testified that he heard EM crying, but he thought it was because she was embarrassed that no one was taking her up on her offer of oral. At the golf tournament the next day, McLeod showed Howden the video in which EM says that she consented to everything. Howden says that he remembers seeing the video and being surprised one was recorded because the woman had been, quote, so forthcoming that night. He says he doesn't remember McLeod checking on EM during the night